Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we're going to try out this new Do It All concealer, perhaps foundation from It Cosmetics. This just dropped on I think it was Saturday or Sunday over the weekend at Ulta Beauty. It is available on the It Cosmetics website. It retails for $30 and it comes in 26 different shades. The shade that I picked up is shade Light Neutral. And I usually go for fair to light shades, just FYI. And I am 43 years old with normal to oily skin, oily primarily in my T-zone. Now, I just want to give you some quick call outs about this particular concealer slash foundation, because it does say you can wear it both ways. It is going to provide a radiant finish, and it says that it's going to be creaseless, soft focus powders instantly smooth skin concerns away, while amino acid coated pigments offer ease of blending to ensure no creasing or settling into fine lines. So we'll like that, especially under the eye area. It's going to be plumping, and it's infused with a multivitamin serum. It also has hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamins B5 and E to help improve skin hydration, texture, and radiance. That is a lot. I am super excited to try this out. I was also sent a free, this is the newest Love is a Foundation brush for 2025. So we'll be using this tool along with, of course, my trusted BK Beauty A506 to apply the product. I had a foundation ready to go up here, but it looks like I'm going to be able to use this as concealer and foundation because it's a do-it-all. So super excited for that. I'm going to wear test this all day today. This will just be a one-day wear test of first impression. I'll use it again in another video and continue to let you know my thoughts, but I'm ready to get started. And if you are too, keep on watching. So I do want to use some trusted products with this because I'm going to apply it the way I would any foundation or concealer. And I'm going to go in with the NYX the Face Glue. This is going to be a gripping primer, and it looks so cute. It looks exactly like a glue tube. If you haven't tried this one, I would definitely recommend. It's a very thin formula, but it does have those gripping properties in it, and you just want to let it set for a minute before you go in with the rest of your makeup. All right, now let's dive into the Do It All Radiant Concealer. Let me just twist it off. So I don't like this little sponge tip applicator. There is another It Cosmetics concealer that comes like in a black tube, and it has this also. I never ever used it, but it looks like I'm gonna have to use it with this one because you got to give it a few clicks. It says to give it a minute for the product to disperse. So I'm just gonna be over here clicking away. There it is. One click would be for your concealer and 3 clicks would be for your entire face. This is what we're doing here. So I'm just going to be swiping. Let's try doing one side of the face first. Make sure I get that under eye area. And then we'll see what it's looking like. And I have my Love is a Foundation brush ready to go. I was looking to see the amount of coverage, and on the Ulta website, I could not find it. So I'm assuming medium, possibly buildable to full. We'll see, but definitely a radiant finish, and I think you can see that. I think it's actually looking pretty good. I think it's slightly too dark, but spring, summer is almost upon us. Spring is upon us. And I've already been spending some times outdoors. I got my jacuzzi set up. I don't keep it at a high temperature. I keep it like 85. So, you know, it's more just like for having fun in the sun and just kind of cooling off. We were out there this weekend and I was told my friend, I'm like, yeah, I think you need to go buy a couple ice bags because overnight I had set the temperature to 99 degrees and during the day it was like 95 degrees. So I was like, we need to cool this down. So that worked and it was a lot of fun. Okay, this is looking really, really good. And it's covering and it's looking really nice. I love to use foundation brushes to initially apply foundation. So I'm going to continue on that path, but I just wanted to show you that this is the side with no makeup, and then this is the side with the concealer. So let's start clicking, and that way we can start doing the right side of my face. I'll tell you right now how much product is in here. It says you get 0.23 US fluid ounces. So it's by no means the same amount that you're going to get in a foundation. But, you know, for me, that I try so many foundations, a smaller product like this that can act as a foundation, that's enough product for me. And I'll be able to actually use it, finish it up before it expires. So I have no problems. And I've told you guys so many times, I love mini makeup products just because I can finish them. And I'm so happy when I do finish them because it feels like I'm not wasting anything. Oh yeah, I think that's looking really beautiful. Really beautiful. And guys, if you've never tried one of these Love is the Foundation brushes, they are a must-have. I know you've seen me use past brushes here on my channel. They are well worth the splurge. I want to say these retail for $30 or $35, but they are nice synthetic brushes. You can just see I'm using stippling motions to apply. This side, the right side, is always, I feel, like my problem area just because I have a little more discoloration. You can see a little bit right there. So I'll probably just add a little bit more to the cheeks, and then we're going to call it a day when it comes to this product. And I'm going to be wear testing it for the next 10 hours. You know, I was able to do the under eye area with this brush. I didn't need to bring in my BK Beauty A506. I cleaned it, I had it ready to go, but it's nice when one product can just take care of it all. I even had my damp makeup sponge ready to go, and this brush has just blended everything so seamlessly. I have no complaints right now. I do want to set this with powder, and I want to add a little bit of setting spray first, but I do have an IT Cosmetics cream blush that I want to go in with, but I think I can do that after the powder under the eye area and the T-zone. But you can see on my neck, it is just a smidge too dark, but this feels great. It feels lightweight. Again, I am 43 years old. I'm a normal to oily skin type, and we'll see how this holds up. I'm going to use one of my favorite setting powders. So my microphone died, but I am going to just set this under eye area. This is the left eye, and with the Benefit Professional powder, I'm also going to use it to set the rest of my T-zone. This is, again, one of my favorite powders. I trust it. And look at the difference. It's the side with the powder, the under eye powder, and then I did not powder that under eye. And I think so far it is looking great. This concealer is definitely a multitasker, wearing it as foundation and concealer today. I'm going to go in with some One Size Until Dawn Setting Mist once I finish the rest of my makeup. I like this one. After I've applied everything, it just really locks everything into place. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I will check in with you guys a little bit later. Guys, so here's what the IT Cosmetics concealer is looking like as a foundation. I do need a touch-up. I do not do touch-ups when I'm doing foundation reviews or concealer reviews. And this side is the eye I did not powder, and then this is the eye I did powder. I kind of think I'm liking the unpowdered side a little bit better. It's definitely a hydrating concealer, and You know, I'm out here in the natural lighting. The color doesn't look too bad. It is slightly dark, but it's not terrible. I could use a touch up, but other than that, I think it's looking good and it feels super lightweight. It's a nice thin formula, but it's still giving me the coverage I want. So we'll see what it looks like when I get home from work. Hey guys, so this is a 10-hour check-in with this new IT Cosmetics Do It All Radiant Concealer. Wearing it as a foundation. I had to blot my nose. My nose was just way too shiny around the 7-hour mark. But other than that, I think it held up really well. It is kind of breaking up a little bit right around here. I really do like the way it looks with the unset under eye versus the set under eye, but I would wear it either way. I typically tend to set my under eye area, but I think this is something worth checking out. It's super lightweight. It's definitely hydrating, hyaluronic acid. It has vitamins, niacinamide in it, and it comes in 26 different shades and it retails for $30, available right now at Ulta Beauty. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. I liked it. I didn't like their last concealer release, but I like this one. I will not be using the little applicator that comes on the top, but I think overall, especially if you have dry skin, mature skin, I think this is something that you might really enjoy. And I like that it's an all-in-one product, that you can use it as a foundation because it says you can do it. So that's what I wanted to do today. And, you know, it's small enough to where you can keep it in your purse, travel with it, super easy. And I think it's definitely worth checking out. But let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.